operators of C language. Clear? Operator is a symbol used to command the computer to perform a certain mathematical या logical operations. ठीक है? Used to operate on data and variables. Operators are used on data and variables. So if you remember that I have told operand and operators. जैसे A plus B, ठीक है? I shared with your new screen laptop. ये ठीक है? A plus B. In this case, A and B are both are the operand. But ये positive sign this one. This is the operator. Clear? Operators. The positive, negative.
साइन
जी
मैम साइन कोई भी हो सकता है ना?
क्या any sign. तो एग्जांपल दे रही ना मैं आपको. ठीक है? Is equal to positive, negative, not equal to, less than, greater than, any sign. This is the operators. Got it? Okay. Come to the point. Yes. So, what is the operator? I repeat it. Operator is a symbol used to command the computers to perform a certain mathematical or logical operations. Logical means less than or equal to, true, false, like this. Second point is that these operators are used to operate on data and variables. And expressions consist of, what is the expressions? Basically, expression consists of variable and constants combined together with the operators. जैसे अभी मैंने बताया A plus B. A and B both are the variables and combined with operator positive sign. Clear? The next is the types of operators. Arithmetic operators. Second one is assignment operator. Third one is relational operators. And the fourth one is logical operators. And the last and the fifth one is the increment and decrement operators. These operators we will be learned in detail. The first one is arithmetic operators. Okay? Arithmetic operators are used to perform numerical calculations among the values. Arithmetic operators are used to perform the numerical calculations. Means, here is a table in which given explanations of operators and the meanings. Positive sign indicate the additions of the between the variables. Minus sign used for subtraction. And this steric sign used for multiplications. In keyboard, this sign you will be get when you will press the shift plus 8. Then you will get this sign. ठीक है? जो हम मैथ में यूज करते हैं ना क्रॉस का साइन, वो हम कंप्यूटर कंसिडर इट एज अ x, as a variable x, y. ठीक है? But the multiplication sign, you will use the steric sign, and how you will get it from the keyboard, shift plus 8. This sign is used for division, and this sign is used for modulus divisions, means reminders. Reminders obtained when integer is divided by another integers. जो हमारी values बच जाती है, उसको हमने जब when we want to get these values, this is the reminders, and in languages terms we call it modulo division या modulus division. Clear? look, I have designed the write the program in C language for making the calculator. Clear? Hash include standard input output dot h, hash include constant input output dot h, and integer mean this one is the pre-processive directories. Clear? Global variables. Okay, from curly bracket the body of the program will be static. Okay, the first thing is that integers, we will declare the integer. Integer means any value, and the variables that we will use in the program, first we will declare it at the start. ठीक है, integer is a reserved word. हम बताएंगे integers कौन कौन सी है, x, y, sum, product, difference, quotient and reminders. ठीक है, the small calculators में basic चीजें यही होती. First we will take the values from the users, so we will use the printf statements. Why we will use the printf statement? Because we want to display some text through which the user read it and give us the answers. ठीक है, so हम क्या show करवाएंगे, enter two numbers. Clear? Okay, now the next step is that we take the numbers from the users. We will give the permission now. For that purpose, we will use the two numbers we have declared it. So that is two input statements we will use. Scanf used for the input functions, small bracket, in double in quote, percentage and d, comma and x. जो भी x की वैल्यू होगी वो यहाँ पे आएगी. ठीक है, scanf जो भी y की वैल्यू होगी वो यहाँ पे वो डिक्लेयर करेगा. After that, when we have taken the values from the users, we will apply the formulas with what is the demand of the users. Either the sum it, product it, difference is या quotient and या take the reminders. ठीक है, so all these formulas will be applied. First one is sum. Sum is equal to x plus y and must be terminated with semicolons. Product x multiplied by y. Difference x minus y, semicolon. Quotient x divided by y. Reminders x reminder sign and y percentage ka sign. Now after applying the formula, we will display the results. For हम one by one हम सबके results देंगे ताकि जो भी वो apply करे उसका result as it is मिल जाए. First one is sum का result, printf bracket double quote, inside the double quote we write escape sequence forward backslash n, sum is equal to percentage d, double quote close, then comma, then sum, this sum, yeah, this sum is over here. The values over sum will be to add these numbers and save the value of this sum. Here we call this sum. ठीक है, हम यहाँ से कॉल कर रहे हैं उसको, जो भी वैल्यू यहाँ पे होगी वो यहाँ पे आए और यहाँ पे शो कर दे. Must be terminated with semicolons. And the next one is printf double quote backslash n, means escape sequence we will use. Product is equal to percentage d double quote comma product. The product value will be saved over there. Call here. Printf difference, different जो हम values यहाँ पे लिखेंगे वही हमने यहाँ पे word लिखना है. Clear? Printf double quote quotient is equal to percentage d, quote मैंने लिखा, ठीक है, and then the first is the reminders percentage d and ram, ये ram. Clear? और यही words I have declared at the top of the program. ठीक है, at the top of the body. And then get ch, small brackets, semicolons, and you when you have finished your programs must be closed with small curly brackets. ठीक है, when you close the body must be use the curly brackets symbols. then execute and run it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose 2, 2. The sum is 4. Product is 4. Difference, no difference, 0. Quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. ठीक है? Press any key to contribute. मैं अभी values को change करती. Run it. 3 and the second value is 6. Sum is 9. Product is 18. 6 to the 18. Difference is 6 divided by 2. 3 minus 3. Okay? Then quotient is 0 and remainder is 3. Clear? This is a small calculator that we have designed it by applying all the arithmetic operations. Clear? Yes, girls, any confusion regarding this topic?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. The next operator is assignment operators. This operator is used to assign the values to variables used in the programs. Okay? What is the function of it? This is assign the values to the variables. Type of it, there are 3 types of it. The first one is basic assignment operators, compound operators, increment and decrement assignment operators. Clear? The first thing is that basic assignment operators. The basic assignment operators is used is equal to sign. Okay? Used to assign a values of expressions to single variables. Expressions में constants भी आ सकते हैं and variables भी आ सकते हैं. Clear? So I repeat it. The basic assignment operators is used to is equal to sign and assign the values of expressions to single variables. This statement is used in which is equal to sign is used only for one time. For one time. The syntax is variable is equal to expression. Example, variable sum and the expressions mean a plus b. Clear? And this sign is used only at the one time when they added it and then assign the value of sum. Okay? This is a basic process. The second one is compound assignment operators. Compound assignment operators is also used is equal to sign to assign one value to more than one variables. Clear? Basic assign only a one value at a one time, but this compounds is इसके names is iron है compound more than one means ठीक है assign one value to more than one variables. The statement in which is equal to sign is used more than one time. Obviously, when they have assigned the value of more than variables, it will use more time. Clear? Then the syntax is variable operator is equal to expression. Example, sum is equal to sum plus n. Okay? When you are using the loop, in the if you remember for making the logarithm, we are using the loop. Okay? Loops mean the number is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Up when you are creating a table at 2 table, okay, and this number will be repeated at 10 times, and any number, any value is repeated till the condition is satisfied. Okay? In this way, you can write sum is equal to sum plus n. These expressions you can write sum plus is equal to n. Sum plus is equal to n. This is the syntax. Yeah, example correct example of the compound assignment operators. Not will be written like this. You will be write sum plus is equal to n. Clear? Look this example. Suppose integer a, integer b. The value of the a is 10, but the b is 2. In these conditions, operators of assignment, compound assignment is plus is equal to, example, a plus is equal to b, और ये किसके इक्विवेलेंट होगा? इक्विवेलेंट टू a is equal to a plus b. Means in these conditions a is repeated 2 times. Clear? Second operator is minus is equal to a is equal to minus is equal to b, equivalent to a is equal to a minus b. In these examples, a is repeated 2 times. The next is steric is equal to, steric means, I repeat it, used for the multiplication sign. Example is a is equal to, steric is equal to b. You will write through, this one is the exact formula. Okay? And explanations I am given over there. A is equal to a multiplied by b. Backslash is equal to sign indicate this is used for the, this symbol is used for the divisions. Example is a is equal to backslash is equal to sign b and equivalent to a is equal to a divide b. Clear? This is the compound in which the one variable is assigned multiple times. Okay? The value of a will be varied and the value of a, this a also different. How? Suppose the value of a is 10, okay, and b is 12. When you edit these two values, the value of this a is, yes girls, tell me, the value of this a is, if the value of a is 10 plus value of b is 2, then this value, the value of this a is 12. Girls, I repeat it. If the value of, value of a is 10 minus b, the value of b is 2. 10 minus b, 10 minus 8, 2, sorry. What will be the value of this a? 8.
8.
Yes. Okay, means same variables, this one but this one, but the values, assigned values of the same variable have the different values will be assigned. Right now? Clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.